Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually in the middle of filming my bridal makeup tutorial, but this is the perfect time for me to test out a new product as well. So for my bridal makeup tutorial, I'm definitely going to be wearing false lashes, but I really want to test out this new mascara. I've had it for a couple of weeks and I just want to see what it's all about. So I figured this would be a good time to do a tutorial or like a first impressions on the mascara. And then if I hate it, hey, it's okay because falsies are going on top of it in a little bit. So I actually put eyeshadow on. So I just have eyeshadow, I don't have any eyeliner. I figured that was probably the best route to go for you to really see the mascara. So this is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This just came out. I love Benefit as a company. They have some really, really awesome products. I love all of their mascaras. Their Roller Lash is probably my favorite mascara, one of my favorites. Their Real mascara is really good. So they just have really, really good mascaras. This one is supposed to be a volumizing mascara. So it's a 36-hour full blast volume mascara. So before and then after, bang. So it's bigger, badder, volumizing mascara. 90% of people saw dramatic volume, 94% said it was instantly lifting their lashes, 92% said it lengthened their lashes, it's supposed to be smudge proof, it's an intense pitch black, it's water resistant, perfect for wedding days, vitamin enriched, interesting, B5 vitamins known to fuel and thicken lashes, it's one of the lightest known materials. It's made out of one of the lightest known materials that astronauts use. What? Aero particles. I wonder what the purpose of that is. Interesting. So it pretty much sounds like it's supposed to be amazing. 360-degree reach, streamlined to easily reach root to tip, corner to corner, upper and lower lashes. Whew, some big claims there, Benefit. So the box is really pretty. It's very kind of like galaxy-like, which maybe they're feeding off of that ingredient that the astronauts use. Here's what the product itself looks like. So it has almost like a spiky lid. It has a really, it feels like NARS. You know NARS packaging, how it's kind of like that, not velvety, but like squishy plastic. That's what the tube feels like. And then I've never looked at this, I've never opened it. Ooh, so here's what the brush tip looks like. So it starts with this like thicker width and then it gets a little bit skinnier, as you can see, almost like triangular. The bristles are definitely plastic. They're kind of like a small plastic. So to compare it to their Real has really thick, really spiky bristles that really help to like get in there and like lengthen and just make your lashes look like falsies. These are definitely tinier bristles, but they're not hair-like. They're definitely plastic-like, which makes them flexible. But the fact that they're plastic versus hair means you can really get in there in between all of your lashes, and hopefully that helps to like volumize and lengthen. So let's go ahead and curl my lashes first. So I think I'm gonna do just one side so we can really see the difference, like the before and after. So here we go. Okay, so here's what one coat looks like. I think it looks really good. I think it did wonders for this lower lash. I mean, look at how pretty that looks. Definitely did a really good job. My lashes are pretty sparse. I just don't have the best eyelashes. They're very, very blonde. They're very, very thin. They fall out very easily. So pretty much any mascara is gonna make my lashes look better. And it really takes a fantastic mascara for me to be wowed. So this one, I mean, so far I really like it, but I'm not wowed. Let's go in with a second coat. definitely is what did it for me. It looks really good, you guys. I think it definitely does add volume. I mean, compared to this eye, there's definitely the appearance of more lashes. It lengthened them. I will say it doesn't do a very good job of curling them compared to something like Roller Lash. Roller Lash really curls your lashes while it's lengthening. This one doesn't really curl, but it definitely adds volume. I think overall this mascara is fairly impressive. I mean, the formula appears to be a really great formula on first try. It's not too liquidy, it's not too dry, it's not too sticky, it's not messy. There's some mascaras that just get all over your face because they're so liquidy. This one, I got one little dot and I was able to wipe it away with a Q-tip, but that's it. And I think that was my fault for just being a little bit messy. So the formula is perfect on first contact. And I really do like the shape of the brush. I do think it makes my lashes look longer, a little bit more voluminous. It does kind of slightly give that like spiky effect. So it kind of just depends on your preference if you like that spiky look or if you prefer like the fluttery, wispy eyelashes, then this probably won't be your cup of tea. But I feel like this is kind of the happy median between Roller Lash and They're Real. If you're looking for something kind of in between, this is what's gonna do it for you. It doesn't look like falsies, like I still wanna put falsies on top of it, but I think for everyday wear, like I would be totally fine with just this. Absolutely, I think it's perfect. So definitely worth a shot. Definitely check it out if you're in the market for a new mascara. Hey, why not, right? Might as well. Good job, Benefit. I like it.